Cardboard fans. We're doing an 8-pack today because we're starting with some of these boys. Some duels from the deeps. And then you know the rest. Valiant, Wild, Brothers. Torrential Tribute. Leviathan Dragon, Daedalus. Sea Stealth Attack. The Buzzsaw Shark. Cyber Shark. The next one. Huh. That Silent Angler. Sea Stealth 2. XYZ Remora. Rank Up Quick Chaos. Now, see, I have way too many of those. And Vibrarian Shark. Yep. Wild survivors. Pre-preparation of rites. Giant Rex. Pueltas de Novelles. That's another French chef. It's a French chef. Ultimate Conductor Tyranno. See, dinosaurs are the coolest. That's just so cool. Enemy Controller. Chef's Special Recipe. As it unfocuses like crazy. Soul Eating Oviraptor. Yeah, see, dinosaurs are just the coolest. They're just so cool. Frostosaurus. Impcantation. Talismandra. Begril de Nouveau. French chef. Manju of the 10,000 Hands. Impcantation. Chalice Slime. Oh god, slime. Everything is slime. Transcendosaurus Drillinathus. Okay. And then Recipe de Personnel. Staff Recipe. So other than Hamburger Recipe and French Chefs, that's so hilarious that that's an archetype. Hamburger Recipe was such a joke way back when I was a OG Memento-Land Boneback, before most of these cards were even a dream. Arch Nemesis Eschatos. Talking like first 4 sets. Valmonica followed Rhythm. I'm getting cards mixed. We got piles. Imperial Custom. There's a car shop, right? No. Ghost Sister and Spooky Dogwood. Put that separate. That goes in the guff. Angel of Zera. And Stained Glass of Light and Dark. Throw some of these wrappers out the way. Dark Honest. I'm going to get so many of those, hopefully, to balance out with the other Honest. No, not really. I really don't want any. Draco Berserker of the Tenyi. Stand Up Censure I Own. Memento-Land Horn Dragon. Valhalla. Memento-Land Cranium Burst. That's some crazy art. That's sick. Ashlord Christia. Alright, down to the... Give me some Karibos. Watch, I won't get any. Red Eyes Fusion. That's good, though. That's a card I need. Eddie Eddie, the Heavenly Squire. His name's Eddie. Silent Sea Nettle. That's just a jellyfish, man. Interrupted Kaiju Slumber. Yeah, now I just need some kaijus. And the last one, the letter D. Because, you know, I love my letters. Ultra shiny letter D. Alright. Last one. How come I haven't gotten any? Like, it's covered in Karibos, and I haven't gotten a Karibo. Left hand shark. Appliancer conversion. Starlight Road. That's from Mario. That's from Pokemon. That's from something. Noble Knight's Spear Holder. And the shiny boy, Terminator 2 Judgment Day. Rebirth Judgment, but yeah, that's just Terminator 2 Judgment Day as an anime. Huh. Guff. And what was a shark? Red Eyes Fusion. There's a Centurion something, right? Yeah. Centurion, maybe. D-Force, maybe. I'm gonna go with Red Eyes Fusion. I think that's the winner. And of course, always Guff. Which one is this one? Yeah. Whatever. Enjoy.